Embark on an exhilarating journey into a painting revolution. Be inspired by turn-of-the-century art movements and create 8 incredible paintings, all in this unique course. In just 7 days, you will learn about 8 amazing paintings and their art movements that forever change the art world. Gain valuable foundational skills in observational drawing and painting that will last a lifetime. Achieve the mindset to approach drawing and painting with confidence, and discover beautiful colour palettes and combinations that will inspire your own art. Our classes are filmed in real time, so that means you can make alongside me with ease and you have total control during the classes. Be inspired, create stunning artworks and master your skills with confidence. Click the link below and enroll with us today.